ladies and gentlemen, just watch and you will see that she will be putting on smoke on her right two engines just about a minute as she passes in. And I want to say this, that this is a tribute.
Yeah, the Catalina's,
huge thank you from my team and me for 23 years of help and support of a gentleman who has created this show together with his good friend Don. And that is of course Peter Eager. Peter has looked after Sally B, after his team, after Derek and my boys over there. He has helped us. He is a great supporter of Sally B, and we would not possibly be.
But still, you're seeing one of the most remarkable aeroplanes. A brilliant piece of Boeing. Great aeroplane. 79,000 people flew as crew members on these during World War II in Europe. It is appropriate that this year sees the 70th anniversary of the arrival of the 8th United States Army Air Force into eastern England. That was later changed by the fitting of a front gun turret, and we'll see the gun turrets as Roger Mills brings the aircraft in, low and slow. Look out for the gun turrets all over this aeroplane. What a sight. Gun turrets in front, above and behind. These aircraft can suffer massive damage, and that's when the bomber escorts became a feature of daylight bombing. That's when the Mustang in particular came into its own.
Stay there with each other.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last pass of Sally B. This time the smoke is for our members and everyone who support her and help keep her flying on. The first one was for Peter. This is the last one.